The present continuous tense is a fundamental aspect of English grammar that is commonly used in social media language. This tense is used to indicate that an action is currently in progress or happening at the moment of speaking. In social media, the present continuous tense is particularly prevalent as users often share real-time updates on their activities, thoughts, and feelings. Let's explore how this tense is utilized in social media language with numerous illustrative examples. One common way the present continuous tense is used in social media is to describe ongoing activities or experiences. For instance, I am watching the sunset right now. She is eating sushi with her friends. We are studying for our exams. Another frequent usage of the present continuous tense in social media is to talk about future plans or intentions. Examples include, I am meeting my best friend for coffee tomorrow. They are traveling to Europe next month. She is starting a new job next week. Furthermore, the present continuous tense is also employed in social media to express opinions, reactions, or emotions in the moment. For example, I am loving this new song. He is feeling excited about the upcoming event. They are not happy with the current situation. Moreover, the present continuous tense can be used in social media to provide updates on ongoing trends, news, or events. Examples include, the weather is changing rapidly, the team is winning the game, the singer is performing live on stage. In conclusion, the present continuous tense is a crucial component of social media language as it allows users to convey real-time information, thoughts, and emotions. By incorporating this tense in their posts and comments, ESL students can enhance their communication skills and engage more effectively with others on social media platforms. So, next time you log into your favorite social media app, pay attention to how the present continuous tense is used and try using it in your own posts to sound more natural and fluent in English.